Welcome to today's review, where we dive into the ZENY rolling stool with backrest. Whether you're in a salon, medical office, or art studio, this ergonomic stool promises comfort and functionality. Let's unpack its features. First off, let's talk about comfort. The padded backrest offers excellent support, making those long hours of work much more bearable. Plus, with its hydraulic lift and adjustable handle, you can easily customize the seat height to your preference, ranging from 18 to 24 inches. This versatility ensures it suits any workspace. Now, onto maneuverability. The 360-degree swivel design and 5 smooth rolling casters allow you to move effortlessly in any direction. No more awkward shuffling or struggling to reach for things around your workspace. Durability is another highlight. With a sturdy chromed metal base and a weight capacity of 300 pounds, this stool is built to last. Whether you're a tattoo artist, a doctor, or a stylist, you can trust it to withstand the demands of your profession. Assembly is a breeze, too. With straightforward instructions, you'll have it set up in no time. The dimensions, at 18 inches in diameter and 24 inches in height, provide ample space without taking up too much room. Overall, the ZENY rolling stool with backrest ticks all the boxes for a comfortable, functional, and durable seating solution. If you're in the market for a new stool for your workspace, this one definitely deserves your consideration. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.